Hello lovelies, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making tomato chinchin. The ingredients are what you are seeing here. I'm also making use of powdered milk. Here I have honey. Instead of making use of sugar, I'm going to be using honey. We have nutmeg, teaspoons of nutmeg and salt. I'm having about 400 grams of flour, and then we are making use of these 2 tomatoes. The butter is also there. Stay tuned and see how I do this recipe. After a thorough washing, slice the tomato into pieces for easy blending. In a plain bowl, I'm going to be adding already sieved flour. The nutmeg and salt comes in immediately. Remember, we are making use of 4 tablespoons of milk, dry powdered milk. So I'm going to be adding it. Comes in right now. This is about 20 grams of butter. The next ingredient is the egg. The honey comes in right now. We are going to be making use of 4 tablespoons of honey. For those who does not really like to make use of sugar, you can actually use honey to prepare chinchin. After a thorough mixing, I'm going to be introducing the tomato right now. I will be adding it bit by bit. I'm going to be adding a little more honey. It is going to be in the fridge for half an hour. I'm going to be adding oil. The deep fryer has an oil limit, so I'm going to make sure that I gauge it to the limit. So I'm going to be adding the second one. We now have the limit. So I'm going to be adding the chinchin into the oil.